5-minute trap. Five-minute trap.
Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to my stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. We just finished the pre-market show. Sorry for being a little late. We're gonna get our bamboo today, that's for sure.
5-minute trap.
Trap on the 5-minute. All these clusters. I'm not interested in that. Too choppy here. Make sure you guys fill out that poll. Let me know what kind of day you think it's gonna be. Aaron Corn, good morning. Amin, Jotaro, good morning. Jaco, buenos dias, banditos. My little pandas. John, Yonan, good morning. Peter Cho, good morning. Missed the pre-market show today. You guys can always go to the members tab and watch all the pre-market. Basically, I'm up 250 because I took a scalp here from this higher low, second entry long. And you can see that with the dark green too, and that's where I made my 250. Since we're starting green on this stream, I want to let you guys know that's the trade I took right here. And we are very choppy right now, and you know, if I were to mark this, probably like this, break a trend, a new high, and now we're looking for you know, this could be break of trend to new low or attempt to make a new low now. But right now, trading range too choppy. Not interested in a trade right now. I'm just saying, pandas, what kind of day I think it's going to be. If we go to the daily chart and we have a candle like this, I've mentioned this for a while now, but when we have a big move up like this, typically what we do is wait for a small pullback and another push up. And I know it might sound crazy that we might go higher than this, and I think a lot of people are saying there's no way we're going to go higher, but in my opinion, we have all the makings of a full-blown reversal here. And yeah, I mean, I can go through all of it for you, but I've done it on previous streams. But basically, we have a H4 with an H5 failure reversal setup, and we also already had our break of trend to new low. So break of trend to new low, and now reversing, and this new this is technically the uptrend. We need 2 legs up here, and with 2 legs up, depending on how this looks like, but for me, I mean, I'm expecting a small pullback, but that doesn't mean that today cannot be a bear trend day today. I mean, the pullback can happen, but typically we wait for one more push up, and the pullback could be small, could be large, you know, can come back to the 20 EMA. Just not sure. It just has a lot of room to do whatever it wants. So that's what I'm thinking. But typically after pullback, since the market loves to move in twos, this is why we traded 2-legged pullback. We wait for one more push up here, and that's what we're waiting for. So if we do break below yesterday's low, I'm thinking it can go down, you know, pretty hard, but that will essentially just trigger the first entry, and we typically wait for the second pullback after that. So with that being said, if we do break below this, we could go down, but I'm not sure how much. If we just break yesterday's low by 1 tick, that will trigger the first entry on the daily, and we can reverse. So I think it's just a little difficult to know what's going to happen exactly here. Like, I don't know how far the pullback's going to be, or how far the first entry is going to go on the daily. It could be 10 points, could be 20 points, could be 100 points, but yeah, we're going to stay vigilant here. What time is that in EST? Sorry, let me go over that. Someone's asking. That's around 10:30. Yeah, around 10:30, around there. 10:30 p.m. So this is like really choppy right now. So I'm just sitting in my pause here, but potentially looking for a new low here. Morning, guys. Make sure you guys fill out that poll. Let me know what kind of day you think it's going to be. And also, make sure you guys scalp the like button. Market just opened, pandas. And let's see what we get here. And I'm not interested in any trade right now. I may trade this trading range. I might, but it's kind of hard to say. We haven't touched it yet. We wanted to touch bottom of the trading range here. Pandas, let me know if my charts look like yours. Every tick matters. We're hitting the bottom of the trading range here. Decent signal bar. Trap trade. This comes back up. I'm gonna be interesting going long here. Tyler Molema, thanks for becoming a panda. Do appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badge as it forms over time. No longer interested in that. Enjoy your panda emoticons and enjoy the access to the pre-market show. If you're a panda, if you're a member, you'll have a special tab called members when you enter my channel, and there you can access all the pre-market shows. And so I hope you guys enjoy, and they're all available for you guys. And on the pre-market shows, we go over every off-stream trade, and also go over all my account balances. And I think people who are supportive of me, I feel okay sharing things like that, my account balance, because I know you guys are supportive. And the way I know that's because you guys are pandas. So, Thirsty Thursday. Should we? Most of you guys think it's gonna be trading range day today. Sure, let's do it. Thirsty Thursday. It's gonna be hard. All right, Thirsty Thursday. That's because yesterday I forgot to do Whiskey Wednesday, and we'll make up for it today. Thirsty Thursday. Let's go, baby. 300 likes. 300 likes, and then we'll drink some whiskey on stream. 10:30 a.m. whiskey. Is there any other better way to start the day than trading with this community and drinking some whiskey? I don't know. Sounds like heaven. We are below the 20 MA, but we did make that new low now. We do have this trading range forming here, but I'll take a stab here. Let's try to go back into our trading range. I typically like the higher low. Actually, let me wait for the higher low. Actually, it's a micro double bottom. Yeah, give me a higher low setup, and I'll try to go long here. I want a little more evidence. We're gonna come back into our trading range, especially when you have a trap trade like this, shooting to the downside. A little tricky. This typically can be reversal. In my opinion, I need to recognize quicker or better, more accurately, when trading ranges are about to break. I think I need to figure out, at least for me, a way that I can do that. So far, the way I'm doing is I'm reading Reload historical, Panda. All right, let's try it. I hate doing this on stream. It takes like 5 minutes, but I'd rather have an accurate chart than yeah, trading this. I'm reloading historical. Sorry, Pandas. Should have done that before. Big push down here. And I think we may be going for yesterday's low. If we break yesterday's low, man. I'm definitely going to scalp yesterday's low. I'm just going to scalp it itself. Yeah, sorry, Pandas. It's loading right now, so it's gonna be a little frozen. Just give it a minute or two. But no entries for me anyway, so I'm chilling. Wow, there it is. That was really off. That was really off. I'm actually very glad I reloaded that. That was really off. Yeah, 4 pushes down. We're heading to yesterday's low, and if we break before under yesterday's low, I mean, I'm probably gonna take a scalp off that. 2 points. But let's see if we get there. This trading range, I think we're a little too far below it now to consider us to come back into it, in my opinion. But we do have a H4 setup, so it could reverse here too. I'm just seeing it like a channel like this right now. This is my channel at the moment. Bouncing off of it, getting another trap to the downside potentially. But also getting choppy, right? We got 4 bars overlapping here. I'm not interested in that trap yet. I'm interested in a trap trade though on a 10K chart. So if we get on this 10K chart, A, B, C, and A, B, C, and it does something like this, I'm interested in going short here actually. We got a quad, micro quad top. Actually, no, it looks good for a short. When I'm sitting on my pause, I want the setup on a 10K chart. Sitting on my pause here. I mean, this has potential to make a point, but Yep. You're going to go short here. 2 leggy off the 20 MA. Signal bar looking weak to go short. very bad signal bar, but the risk is not large. I'm gonna take it. The risk is small here. I'm gonna try to take this trade here. Bad signal bar, but still interesting going short here. Second entry short off the 20 EMA. It could get me here, but just two-legged pullback off the 20 EMA. I'm gonna try to take this one. Signal bar is terrible, so this could hurt me here. This could get me. Let me see here. Let me 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna extend it a little bit because of the current choppiness. I'm gonna extend it just a little bit here. I'm gonna let this bar finish, and then I'll bring it here after the bar finishes. Looks like it's gonna get me here. Unfortunately, it got me. Yeah, it's just a two-leggy off the 20 MA, but the H4 setup got me. It's a small, teeny risk, so I decided to take it, and so I didn't mind that. I'm still interested in going short here, actually, but if this fails to really push hard and reverses, then I may be interested in going short here again. I'm gonna try again here short. That trap looks like it's about to fail. Going up again. Goes up even higher this time. So that means there's follow through here. Just consider my pause. Looks like we might be coming back into our trading range, but big strong bull bar. Could have reversed the trade, but yeah, I'll take the hit. There's a small risk I was willing to take. Just a two-leggy with a downtrend here, and knowing that basically, so you break a trend to new low. I should have considered that, right? Break a trend to new low. I totally forgot we had this already. Right, this downtrend's done, and we're looking for a reverse. This was actually a good place to look for a reversal, and completely missed that. That was a mistake actually on my part. We should have actually been looking for this reversal here, that break a trend to new low. Where's my brain at? Sorry, pandas. Dumb trade. I should have looked for a long here. Actually, the price action is actually very clear, and I just misread that. Completely misread that. It's like when you have miscommunication with your wife. Basically, I just had the price action was telling me something. I thought I was not paying attention. That's why it's important to listen. Sorry about that, Panas. That was a dummy mistake. I should have been looking for that reversal here. And now we're in a strong uptrend. And the trend is good. Hard to even. It's so good that it's hard to even, like, you know, you're looking for a spiking channel at this point. Spike channel, because how strong this move was. Yeah, Kelly says she doesn't have it, but the way I see it like this: break a trend to new low, and yeah, I guess it depends on how you're charting this, but that's, to me, right, it tried to attempt to make a new low here, but instead made a double bottom, and then it made a new low. Right when it broke with this trap, it broke down, and now with this reversal setup, to me, it made me think that most traders knew that this was break a trend new low with the reversal pattern here. And I made a dumb mistake. That was a dummy mistake, in my opinion, for me. Plus terrible signal bar, right? And I was already breaking my rules. I just saw like the risk is only like 2 points or something. I extended a little teeny bit. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so lost like 3 points on that. It's all good. Let's see what happens here. Moving on to the next trade, right? Pandas. Strong push up. Potential L4 setup here. Big push down here. Coming back to the 20 EMA here. Interesting. I don't know what to make of this. That's a little strange that it pushes down that hard on the L4 setup. Right, the H4 L4s are just spot on right now. So we got 4 pushes down, reverses, 4 pushes up, reverses. Man, I mean, it makes me feel like I got a long here, but that's weird. Look like this super strong push down. It's a little odd to me. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. Signal bar. Now I'm actually gonna wait for my good signal bar here. Confusing. I guess I should go long here. Technically in an uptrend still. Bouncing off the 20 May. Alright. Well, I was scared because I took, a bad signal bar trade. And that's also another bad signal bar. But this makes 2 points. Oh, you gotta love the market. Punishes you for making the mistake the first time. And then the next time the same thing happens, it just rewards you. It's amazing. You gotta stick to the plan though. 3 here. I'm not interested in going short still. I'm looking for a new high at this point. But that's pretty nice. It actually makes 2 points. No joy on runner though. Higher low setup potentially here. A little choppy. I may be interested in a higher low setup, but yeah, I will need the setup to come to me. But it's getting a little choppy here. But the higher low setup might help you in this chop because you're thinking you're gonna come back into this small trading range up here. But I will need a setup. I need this to break below. Give me a decent signal bar to go high or to go long. And you can only take what the market gives you, and it's creating currently an inside bar, which is a little cheeky. A little cheeky to do that. May take an outside bar reversal here. I might take the outside bar within itself. Try to come back to the top of this trading range. Let's see if we get this. Thinking trading range, it might come back to the top of this trading range. That's what I'm thinking here. I may get burned again here, but we'll see. Kind of want this candle to finish. So this candle finish. All right, let's go long here. Higher low setup here. Higher low, second entry long. Maybe back to the top of this trading range. Still looking for a new high here. Makes a new low, right? Keeps going lower here. As long as we don't break this pivot low, okay. All right, it wants to reverse. Goodbye. Bye-bye. No setup. It's actually reversing here. Huh. Two H4, L4 setups reversing. H4, L4, both of them reversing, right? With this 3 and this 3. Tricky, tricky. How are you supposed to trade this? Is the question here. I may be looking for a short trade now, actually, in this area. I'm not looking to go long, even with a signal bar that looks like that. I'm not looking to go long here. It is a second entry long though, don't get me wrong. A, B, C. Decent signal bar. Does make a point. Strong push up. All right, we're gonna take this trade on the 10K chart here. It's a higher low, second entry long, and we're gonna shoot for 2 points here, see if we get it. I don't like an outside bar reversal, so I want this bar to finish, and I don't want an outside bar reversal if possible. Try and time this perfectly here. It's a higher low second entry. I'll try this trade. We're gonna shoot for 2 points here. It just went right past my May want to re-enter this. Yeah, unfortunately. It just like shot right through my order and didn't fill me, so I couldn't get into that trade. But I'm glad I didn't because it's reversing strongly now. That's a little scary. We made that new high now. Let's go for a short trade now. It's unfortunate. It just went like straight through, but I actually did make 2 points, and so I'm kind of glad I didn't enter that because I'll be still stuck in that trade. Actually, I would have got stopped out. I would have had like a 5-point stop loss. So we have break a trend to new high now. Now looking for a downtrend. Let's see if we get a setup here. I mean, the best setup to take will be a trap trade to the short side, but if the downtrend looks strong, you might want to enter on just a lower high setup, which is what I may be interested in here, a lower high setup. Eager to go short here, actually. Very eager to go short. Let's let this play out. Let this count the finish here. Boy, oh boy. This is choppy, huh? All right. Confusing. Don't know. Don't know what to make of this, pandas. Big move down. It looks like a trading range, but I wanted to go short, but not anymore. I probably will have to take it on a trap trade. Don't feel confident yet. Trap trade as in I'm waiting for this setup. A, B, C, A. Reversal. The main reason because we have break of trend to new high now. And so this is kind of where I'm looking for a reversal trade. And I was eager to enter because how strong the push down was, but not eager anymore. In fact, this is pushing right back up here. Absolutely incredible. It's annoying. Slices right through your order like that. Pushing higher, pushing higher. It's actually really choppy right now. It looks choppy, but it looks kind of bullish. Hard to say, pandas. Looks choppy but bullish. Main reason being because we have a higher low here. That higher low makes it look like it could come here and actually make a trap to the upside. And a strong push to the upside. Decent signal bar to go short here. Huh. Hard to say. I don't know. It looks choppy, and if the smart thing to do at this point is actually to go short here to come back to the bottom of this trading range, but very confusing. This higher low here makes me feel like it can actually burst upwards. Looks trading range choppy plus also. All right, let's take it. I'll take a trap here. If you're gonna give me a trap here, I'll take a trap here. Back to the bottom of trading range. Trading range indicator. Boy, oh boy. Don't mess with it. Especially on days where it's actually choppy. Pushing strongly down now. Do I want to short trade somewhere? I think I'm gonna stick with my plan. I will take a short on trap trade to the downside here. That's my plan. It's my master plan. Micro double top might be enough for me to want to go short here. I'll take it with the micro double top. Yeah, I'll try short here with the micro double top. I'll try that. Being a little impatient here because I'm just taking it with the micro double top. But we'll see. In this trade. I could get burned here again, but I am trying to trade that breakout right now, and it's currently on the micro double top. I'm trying to break below on the micro double top. And it might burn me getting a little too eager on that trade, but yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it to me because that also triggered a 10K second entry short. And so that's why I figured maybe the micro double top was good enough to go short here. And it's going to burn me. Ah, man, I'm getting chopped up here. No bueno. Now it's going the way I want it to go. I'm going to try to attempt this again here. Let's try this one more time. Now it's a trap trade, the trade I was looking for, which I should have waited for. And if I was just patient enough, I would have known just to... That's what impatience does. FOMO. Goes back to the top of the trading range potentially here. Big push up. Got 2 losers in a row. One more loser, I'm just like, I'm done trading. Big push up now. Do I want to keep respecting this trading range? I mean, we keep getting higher lows here. But if you're going to trade this trading range, you could go short here potentially. This is going to burn me. I know it. I know it. The moment I want to trade this trading range is going to burn me. I mean, because of the trap on the 10K chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Higher lows, higher highs. Tricky. Like, I want to go short here, but it looks like an... Pandas. This is tricky. This is really tricky for me. Really tricky. I don't know what to do here. I guess technically I can try to trade my trading range. No, definitely not anymore. Man, this wants to go higher. I think it wants to go higher. Yeah, it's starting to become a strong bull bar ending on its high. We'll let the bar finish. I got burned twice. I'm getting chopped up. I got chopped up today. Not really chopped up here. That was a bad trade. And this one was I was very eager to enter that short because I triggered a second entry short on the 10K chart as well. And so I took that double top and paid the price for that. So that's why don't do that, pandas. Be patient. Be patient. Yeah, strong push up now. I mean, we have the trap trade on 10,000 tick chart. That trap trade. So that short I went to is reversed and got a lot of people out. But small risk, right? It's just 2-point risk. So that's why I'm like, I was more eager to enter that. But 2-point risk, it's okay. We'll take it. I mean, currently it looks like we're in an uptrend, so I don't know. Yeah, looks like an uptrend, but I can't enter it, unfortunately. Oh, pandas. Sorry, I don't think I'm there. I don't think I'm there on in the mental side. Must be the late start. One more loser. I think I'm going to sit on my paws the rest of the stream. But I'll be here with you guys. I'll be right here. We do have the Thirsty Thursday Whiskey Challenge still going on. Pandas, for those who are just joining, I'm about my money. Well, welcome to the stream. Even though I'm down 375, this money is not my own. I am trading 100% risk-free right now. I'm trading Apex funded account. And if you guys are interested in wondering how I'm trading this, you just pass an evaluation. They give you a funded account where you can take the profits and they take the losses. If you blow the account, then they take all those losses. And so whatever gains you make, you can keep. And so this is 100% risk-free. If you're interested in that, there is a 50% off code right now. 50% off. BBMV. The code is on the bottom of your screen, also in the pinned message. L4 trap. It's a strong bull trend right now. But we do have the L4s, and the L4 H4s have been working beautifully. I don't know, maybe I'll reverse it here. Sorry, I had some connection issue. That was weird. I'd like some evidence of going short here. It's risky taking this short because how strong this uptrend is right now. But that's a decent signal bar. But I'm gonna wait for some evidence, as in like a lower high or trap trade that does give you a scalp there. H4 L4s are killing it right now. Nice push down. Yeah, I need like a lower high setup here. Something, a little more evidence that we are reversing here. Coming back to the 20 EMA. Let's look for a measure move. Measure move's already been made, plus more. That usually means that's a good sign for the bulls. You know, if a measure move is ignored, then typically that means that you know, the bulls are very strong, and you know, they are gonna just keep pushing higher, typically. But yeah, I'll take a trap trade here if we get it. A, B, C, A. Trap trade to the short side. That's my setup right now that I'm looking for. Let's see if we get it. Okay, getting a two-leggy here. We're kind of floating above the 20 MA. Setup is not perfect. Big push down. Back to the 20 MA now, which is nice, actually. So right now we have a... Okay. I want to go long here now, actually. I kind of want to go long here, pandas. The signal bar is not that good. Signal bar is also very large. But bouncing off the 20 MA like that perfectly? I may try to just go long here, but I'm actually scared that we're actually in a big trading range day today. And this is the top, and we might shoot right back down. My setup right now is a second entry short here that I want. Fail second entry long, basically. Sorry, not second entry short. Fail second entry long. That's what my trade is, but... this looks like it can make a point here as well. Strong uptrend, 20 MA. Okay, well, this is the setup I was looking for. Trap trade to the short side. This one's a little different because it's above the 20 MA, but that's the trade I was looking for. Feels like entry long. Let's take it. And if the market's gonna be mean to me and not give me this, then it is what it is. Touches my target perfectly here. Taps it, reverses on me. It tapped my target and reversed, so I just got out of the trade, and I just don't like it when it does that. But it actually hits my 2-point target, and I skunked it a little too early. I came in with my break even +1, and actually came back, took me out, and now made the point. So, oh, that's a failed. Man, I didn't think it was gonna just reverse on me like that and take my break even out. Hey guys, let's just have a moment of silence for my my trading skills today. Apparently, it's completely dead. So if you guys can just give me some thoughts and prayers and yeah, so long trading skills. It was nice knowing you. You're completely gone now. My brain is not here today. What was that? Pandas, what was that? I'm doing some weird stuff today. Silly trade. I could have held that for 2 points. It would be in a good position. I just saw it hit my target and I just moved the break even +1 tick. And it came back, ate up my break even, and came right back down to fill the original target, and it's unfortunate. Yeah, and actually this is a runner here. We have a gap here right now, which is a good sign for the bears. Yeah, that's a trap trade I was looking for, and these H4L4 setups are beautiful, right? Every single one has created a trap, which is very rare for that to happen, but it's doing it, and so you gotta just read the price action for what it is. Could have made, I don't know why I did that. It is what it is though. It's not here today, Pandas. It's not here. Like this trade I lost here, I shouldn't even been in that trade. This trade here, I just completely I even marked it in the pre-market analysis, and I just completely forgot about the break of trend to new low. Right. Today is a clinic for the H4L4 setup. If you guys don't know what the H4L4 is, you guys can go to the frequently asked questions link in the description. That's what I'm talking about. It describes these magenta and gold box 4s. When you see those, typically it has reversals. And this is a prime day to show that is the case. Our Pandas, no matter what. But the good news is though, every trade I've been in has been very small risk, right? Like about 2-3 point risk. So we're okay here. It's just I'm just being a little silly right now. So it's only we're only down 350, and that I don't want to count that as a loss. I'll just count that as a skunk. And so we still have 1 life left, Pandas. We have 1 heart left. I should have like a heart, like a little heart, like life bar in my on my stream, and every time I get hit, it goes down like Zelda. That or like actual HP bar, and basically making this like a big video game. But if I hit like $1,000 loss, then I'm completely dead. Potential higher low second entry long here. I'd be interested in this trade. Back to the top of the trading range is what I'm thinking. Terrible signal bar at the moment. It's a higher low back into our trading range. I'm kind of interested in this trade. Terrible signal bar now. Okay, it's gonna work out better. The higher low second entry long. Let's see if we can get it set up here. This one, pandas, I'm just holding. I don't even care what happens here. We'll take the hit. You know, we'll either make the target or take the hit. It doesn't matter. Then come back to the top of the trading range here. Let's see if we can get it. I'm not really thinking of a reversal trade, but I mean, I don't like the reaction of that, obviously, but we'll hold this. Thinking come back into our trading range here, maybe to the top of it. Thinking this downtrend's done, right? Break a trend to new low and a higher low, second entry long. And we're thinking potentially we can come back to the top here, but it looks like it wants to create an outside bar reversal on me and just take me out here. This might be my last life, pandas. This could be it. High chance for me to get stopped out here. Yeah, that one hurts. Unfortunately. Gets me out. That's my 3 losses. Pandas. It's just like, it's not it today. Still on downtrend. I was thinking maybe get a higher low setup there, but it's unfortunate. Man, pandas, this is outside bar reversal. Unfortunate. I mean, that was an inside bar as well, and it's getting choppy. Just like, maybe I should step away today and just not trade. Who knows? This ain't it. It ain't it today. The thing is, like, I don't think the trading is that hard today. I'm just like kind of entering whatever I'm trading. Like, I'm just entering whatever, and it's not good when you have that mindset. So pandas, that's like the scalpers downfall. You know, they just enter too many trades that are just kind of like random. But man, that outside bar reversal got me. It's popped up, it reverses, and it is what it is. So, but pandas, man, today is hard. I'm not gonna trade the rest of the stream. I mean, I'm already out, down 725, and taking silly trades. And I think it's just like could be my morning. I'm just late start, just kind of jumping in, not having the right mindset, and yeah, strong push down. I mean, you take the hit, but it's all good. I mean, at least you're not holding it through this. Another trap to the downside. Amazing trap here. Another trap to the downside. It's actually a pretty nice trade to go short there. But I mean, I'm seeing this as a, you know, this micro trend here, and also because of the fact that we broke the measure move, thinking we probably actually have more room up. But we'll see here. Big push down. Very big push down here right now. Very strong push down. Like, I almost just want to short anywhere here. Just take any trade here. Always in short, basically. But yeah, I'm gonna punish myself. I'm not gonna take any trades. Sorry, pandas. Seriously, you guys pray for me. You know, pray for my skills to come back. It's completely out the window. Took that higher low. These higher lows are just not working out. I mean, going with trend is just not it right now. Just not working out. Hitting the 240 SMA here. Three losses, man. Gotta reset. I gotta take a breather. I mean, it's true. It's like, it is Apex's money, but you know, you don't want to lose your Apex accounts. I mean, that though you're not losing any of your own capital, it's just like the time and the energy just put into building up your Apex accounts. It's just like, yeah, you don't want to squander that. Still hurts, you know. Hmm. AGDS, Panda just interested to know how much people spend on getting funded accounts. A post on Elite Trader said lots of people spend around 7,000 on subscriptions and reset fees. Your thoughts? 7,000 on subscriptions and reset fees. You know, let's just say that's true. That could be true. But if you're able to withdraw $10,000 off any of your accounts, then you make up for that. Let's grant that. Let's grant the $7,000 each person spends. Multiple things. If people spend $7,000 on subscriptions and reset fees, then most likely they would have lost $50,000, probably more, with their own money if they were trading. And so the only thing that says is that the people who are doing it were just not ready. It doesn't mean anything about the product itself, right? The product itself is like, there's nothing wrong with the product itself. The product is actually an amazing product. The thing that's wrong is not the product, but the people who are entering and trying to get something that they're just maybe not ready for. So, you know, if you're not a profitable trader, then it doesn't matter what kind of account anyone gives you, you're gonna blow the accounts. It's getting completely choppy here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. We saw a super strong downtrend, and it just gets absolutely just turns into this. So no follow through. Yeah, I really thought we were gonna get we were gonna push higher here, but that was a mistake, obviously. Main reason being is because this measure move here. This measure move from this low to this high and bringing it here and making the measure move, we broke through it. And when we typically break through measure moves, we usually continue to go up. So I was thinking, okay, I'm looking for a long still, and I see this higher low second entry, decent signal bar. Even though it's an inside bar, I don't mind it. And just makes a outside inside. It's actually inside outside O or I O pattern, and ends up breaking down to the downside. So yeah, so this first trade I already mentioned what happened here, and it wasn't good because yeah, we already had break a trend to a new low, in my opinion. You know, I could be wrong, right? Some people might have marked it like this. Could be. And break a trend, new high. Big reversal. So now you're wondering, are we reversing here or are we going to continue our downtrend here? I don't know. This is an H4 setup, right? 4 pushes down, and typically we've been seeing it with every time there's 4 pushes either way, it's reversing on us. Gives us a nice little scalp on the other side. This is the first time it looks like it's failing to do so. Almost want to go short here, but I'm going to sit on my pause. I'm just going to sit on my pause, pandas. I'm obviously not reading this correctly, and I'm just like, either that or I'm just not in the right mindset. Like, I'm not going into good setups. I'm kind of just taking whatever and just being kind of too nonchalant about my entries here, and I need to take a step back and refocus. It's a bad place to be. I'm not like on tilt or anything. I'm just like, it's like the opposite is I don't care, and it's like, and that's just as bad, I think. So I'm just gonna sit on pause. Tilt means like, you know, like you're kind of angry, reckless. I'm more like not there in the mind right now. I'm just like not focused. Might be a symptom of tilting, don't know, but big push down here. Big push up, kind of choppy today, right? This is very choppy, right? You have these big bear bars matched with big bull bars, right? Big bear bar, big bull bar, big bear bar. Show some confusion from the market. It's hard to trade these big signal bars, right? If it's a big signal bar like this and you're risking a lot. I don't enjoy that. Do you? Maybe I should have seen this before, but the 5 minute has like a really good trading range for us. I didn't even realize this, but the 5 minute chart has this like amazing trading range, and we're at the bottom of the trading range now, and it's just one leg down. Let me see. Yeah, one leg down. This is a 2 leggy back to the top of the trading range. Just 5 minute actually is okay. I mean, this trading range has been here since 2 a.m. and it's just been going back and forth, and so very interesting. We're also in a very big trading range on a 10,000 tick chart as well, and it comes all the way down here. And so my expectation is we probably come back down here. I thought we were going to do it here, but we might do it here. Right, with this trap with no follow through, could come back down to the bottom trading range. Yeah, it all started with that late start, and I'm just like rushing in. I'm just not getting the right mind space. Gotta really like just burn into your mind a setup that you're looking for, waiting for. And when anything else comes, you just cannot be like tempted to take it. Oh, good pandas. May end the stream a little early today. Just really not feeling it. So, just to notice tomorrow as well, I will be ending early around this time. So we'll have a short stream tomorrow as well. But yeah, I'm just not feeling it. 3 losses in a row, man. It's just unfortunate. So we'll see what we can do here. I mean, it's not the end of the world, right? Down 725, easily make that up. But I think more than that is just my mind. I need to refocus here. I gotta step away from these charts for a little bit. So pandas, that being said, trade safe, everybody, and I hope everyone else is getting their bamboo. It seems like by this poll, most of you guys are making some money today. So big congrats. This one's for you guys. I couldn't do it for myself, but that bamboo's for you. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9 o'clock on the pre-market show, 9:15 on the mainstream. Make sure you guys use that BBM50 coupon as long as it lasts, because at the end of this month, it's going to, quote unquote, end. So I don't know what's going to happen, but who knows? Apex has extended it before, but we'll see if they'll continue. I mean, it's completely up to them. But yeah, as much information as we know is that it's going to end and expire on the end of this month. So hopefully they can give us a brand new coupon, but we'll see. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Bye. Happy trading. God bless.